Oh shit. Alright, this is how we're gonna do it. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another SNG Media video. This video we're doing Q3 bike check. Hell yeah, dude. Q3. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is my 2017 bike check, alright? So the frame I'm running, it's a Colt Chase Hawk 20.75 frame. Used to be teal, and I painted it. It's kind of blue and yellow. You can kind of see there. Blue and yellow. Some might say I messed it up. Some might say it looks awesome. I think it's okay. Alright, let's move on to the bars. The bars are Volume Mad Dog 4-piece bars. They're 29 inches wide, and I think they're a 9-inch rise. They're 4-piece bars. They're kind of an old school 4-piece bar. They don't look very similar to any other ones, so I'm liking that. The grips I'm running are Sean Ricani Colt Signature grips. Pretty comfortable. They're tan. The bar ends I'm running our Odyssey par ends. These bar ends, I've had them probably 2 years already. They are still running great. Best bar ends ever, I'm telling you. Some companies are trying to copy them. They ain't nowhere close. Okay, so the forks. The forks are Colt V2 forks in chrome. Pretty awesome, no complaints. Can't really do anything on nose wheelies or anything, so I'm not gonna comment. The wheel is the front complete wheel. It's black. Got it laced a couple times. I've had it for 2 years. A little chuckle, but I'm still running it. The tire. The tire is a Dennis Anderson Demolition Rig Signature tire, 2.4. Got it in October, and we're in August, so it's lasted pretty well. It's lasted a long time. Sorry about that. No complaints. Pretty solid tire. The hub, stock hub. The front peg is a Colt Doomsday peg. Pretty awesome. Steel is real. I don't really fool around with the plastic stuff anymore like I used to. The front I have a G-Sport hub guard. It connects with like the zip ties to the spokes and stuff. I don't really like it. I've had to replace many zip ties. It was $10. What do you expect? Let me get to this side now. Alright, so on this side of the bike, we have pedals. These pedals are Colt. They're just normal Colt pedals. I think they're like $15. I always wear down one side. At least the left side, the side of my pegs are. Yeah, but the right side's pretty awesome. It's chilling. So I got these cranks. New information, I learned that they are 175 millimeter cranks. I once thought they were 170. 175, pretty awesome. They're not broken yet, so I'm not replacing them. The sprocket I'm running is a Merit Chris Child sprocket. Skin chrome. It's sick. It matches the chrome seat posts and the bars and stuff, so I like it. The chain. This is a Colt. I think it's a cam seat. It's a Colt stock chain. Since I grind on my left hand side and I'm right foot forward, I don't break chains. So I've had this puppy for probably 2 years almost. Next is the back tire. It's the same as the front. It's 2.4 Dennis Anderson Signature Demolition Rig tire. It's awesome. The back hub, updated for my last bike check. I don't ride a Free Coaster anymore because those things are complicated AF and I'm too dumb to understand them. So we're back on the cassette, loving it, just like I was usual. Got the pedal pressure back, can 180 and half cab to the opposite direction, which makes me goofy faded, so that's cool again. The back wheel again is a stock back wheel. I've got it chewed multiple times. It's pretty chuckle. I'm gonna get that baby. We're gonna get a new one sometime soon. The seat, the DAX Signature Colt seat in Ox Blood Red. Kind of looks reddish brownish, so I think that's where they got the name from. My bad. Can't really talk. The seat post, this fine piece of metal right here. This fine piece of metal. It's a really old seat post. It used to be, was it chrome? Was it black? I don't remember. But it was on my 2015 Fit VH1. We're running it today, almost 3 years later. Loving it. The back side, we have a back peg, the same Colt Doomsday peg, Steel's Reel once again. And we have the same G-Sport peg, but in the back. So it's the same thing. It's like $15, $10–15. The zip ties always break, so I have to replace them. I'm looking into a new hub guard for both sides of my bike. The frame right here, this part of the frame right here is yellow. It kind of, there's a monster truck, and I kind of wanted to look like this monster truck, so that's what we were going for. Yeah, I'm not gonna get any riding clips because I'm severely injured right now. Back problems, ankle problems, knee problems. But I will supply you with some fail footage for this upcoming video project we're working on. So hope you like that. Subscribe, comment, like, all that, blah, 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 do all that stuff. I'm doing a little way too much now. I don't know why. Just developed this habit of doing this video. But yeah, thanks for watching, man.